true. Look, it's a banh mi place right there. Look, and that looks like it's filled to the rim full of meat.
Where?
Right there, the big sandwich. Come on, banh mi place. It looks like it's. Oh, another banh mi place. Wow, there's a lot of banh mi here.
Yeah, you're gonna have to filter some of it.
Ôi em ơi lấy lại đi, dở quá. Giỡn trời. Okay. So at long last, I'm finally gonna get a foot massage. Train, so I guess this is what they're getting. It's grilled. They're gonna grill it up. The chicken wing. Oh man, what is that? Like a goat head? It's a goat head. Okay, this is what our villa looked like at night. Okay, we are here, Hoi An at night. Officially, this is the Hoi An Bridge. Okay, oh, hold on. Oh, gotta watch out the other side. Leaving our Marriott hotel. So many things that are under construction that just completely stopped. Looks, a lot of it looks like ghost towns. I don't know what happened to all the constructions. Our driver said that a lot of things, including a casino, they stopped building, they stopped doing anything because of COVID. But you know, it's over and there's still nothing, so I'm not sure what's going on. But yeah, so many humongous buildings are in the middle of construction. It looks like a ghost town now. Anyways, just wanted to share that with you. Here's Sandy Beach in Vietnam. I guess Christmas is picking up in Vietnam because a lot of the hotels have, you know, decoration or ornaments, all that stuff. Maybe for the tourists. Okay, this is all farmland. I think we are pretty much about here. We're probably here or about there. I've been seeing a lot of cows. I saw buffalo. That's a cow. Oh, there's one. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, there's more. There it is. We are definitely in country. Oh, here's one. Here's one, guys. Right there. Oh, big old water buffalo. It's amazing animal. What the hell? A TikTok deer? Somebody named their bar TikTok. Oh, here's a spa here and a laundromat together. Do your laundry and get your spa at the same time. Yeah. Hoi An, we are in Hoi An. Oh, this is Hoi An, guys.
Oh, they have tuk-tuks here.
Oh, lots of foreigners. TNT Villa. Look at that. Wow. See the front? Okay. Hi. Okay. This is the villa. I guess this is where we'll be staying. Check it out. Up out here. Quang. Oh, look at that. Lines going right on here. Cool. Looks like trees. That's pretty cool. It's pretty nice. Waiting area.
If you would like to make the audio, I think you can have a look today. Because tomorrow you check out. Tomorrow will be free.
Oh, perfect.
Tomorrow pick up.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome.
See? Where are we? Okie dokie.
I don't know. Look.
Let's go check it out. Where's the lights? Oh. What do you mean? Oh yeah, where's the shower?
It's here, but it's right there.
Oh,
So you're gonna have to wash my hair.
okay. Oh, here's the shower.
Oh.
Here, it's a wet, what do you call that? Wet bathroom or something. So, nothing like the last place we were in, but I guess. Okay, here we are. Just left our hotel or our villa. I mean, everything is so close. I mean, everything is in walking distance. It's like, man, it doesn't. Some kind of plane over there. Look at that. Cooked with wood. Maybe we should try that. Not now, but maybe later. Look at that. You know what? Actually, the weather is nice. I mean, it's breezy. No sun. I mean, a little overcast, but no worries. No rain. Weather is like perfect, in my opinion. Oh, there's a coffee restaurant. Hello. So I think this was the intersection that she told us. We go that way, versus that way to the market. Oh, there's like stores everywhere. It's like overwhelming. Holy smokes. That way store, no matter where you go, it's a store. Oh, that was close. Oh, man. I think it's somewhere over here. She said a little bit more straight, or did we pass it? No, she said the intersection, the light. I didn't see any light. It's gotta be over here. So we are looking for Tung Taylor on 67. There's all kinds of Taylor. Oh, there. 67.
Huh?
Tung. That's the one. Tung.
Oh, okay, we'll come back. We'll get something to eat first.
Okay. So that's the place. Chỗ mai đầu. Cái Michael đó nó recommend ở đây. This was where our bus stopped here. We asked for directions. Oh, the weather's perfect. Okay guys, it's getting darker in the day and it looks like stores are beginning to open. That looks like rotisserie chicken across the street. I don't know what else. From here, all I can see is chicken, but there's something else. But here, look at that, chicken feet. There's chicken feet and something else. It looks like innards. Oh, barbecue. Oh yeah, it's innards. So that's chicken feet and innards. They're beginning to open up. It's a banh mi place right there, look. And that looks like it's filled to the rim full of meat.
Where?
Right there. The big sandwich. Come on. Let's go. Green grass spa. Oh. Where's there? Oh, here. Green grass spa.
Looking in the mass bar, maybe the people to comment. Yeah.
So apparently Google what's that? 4.8. 4.8 star. Back massage. Oh, yeah, back massage, shoulder massage.
Before I dedicate for you, in the Vietnamese massage softer, Bali massage a little strong. That in here the with oil smell aroma. In here hot stone, I do for you the massage, and after the massage hot stone, the steam, I hold the body for you. Thai massage too strong. That in here.
I love strong.
Yeah, that in here the back massage and the foot massage.
What time do you guys open to?
At night.
Oh, close at night.
No, close 10.
Close
Open
at 10.
night.
Open night.
Yeah.
Okay.
And when you come, you book in the Google Map. In the Google Map immediately.
Oh, you gotta book it?
Yes.
Oh.
Sometimes I'm busy or not busy.
Oh, this looks pretty good. Oh, it's a banh mi place. It looks like it's let's walk down here. What else is there? Oh, what is dim sum tea? Dim sum? We never had dim sum in a long time. Huh? Me love you long time. Oh, what is this coffee? Another banh mi place? Oh, another banh mi place. A lot of banh mi here. Oh, so literally just right across the street. We don't even have to go nowhere. Place. Oh, they got chicken. Oh, it looks pretty good. I mean, looks pretty fresh. Should have went over there. Oh, it smells pretty good too. Smell that one. Okay. Oh, hold on. Oh, gotta watch out the other side. Okay, we're going back to the hotel. Don't run. Okay. So this is right next to our hotel. What's it called? The Curve? The Curve Cafe and Bar. Oh, the lady said that if you also good banh mi right across the street, not this first one, the second one, she said it's pretty good.
Is it everything you hope?
I have not gotten fresh coconut for a couple of days now. This is Hoi An coconut.
What?
He's recording, I can't say it.
Oh. Yeah, you're gonna have to filter some of it.
Ôi em ơi lấy lại đi, dở quá. Giỡn trời. Kêu anh gì leo lên lại lấy cái khác đi.
Are you serious? Oh my god. One more?
Lấy 5 người được không?
Can you just put massage? Please.
Still same. 250. Foot. You can do the foot.
See? Where? What? At the foot? What?
Here, you go behind. For 5 people.
Really good? Awesome.
What you get? The Thai?
Oh, you did the
Vietnamese, yeah. Yeah,
softer than Thai.
Oh.
Oh no.
We're trying to get deep.
They're going Thai. They want deep.
Oh yeah, you did tell me that.
No, but she's
You want to change it or not?
You want oil?
Before I do Thai massage, good. But tomorrow you hurt a little.
Yeah.
But sometimes maybe you go tell. I do already. Don't worry. Very good in the Thai massage. He very good. He very strong. Very good in him. Yes. I think the oil okay. Let's stick up to you.
Yeah, she's eating. What do you I normally do oil, but I kind of just want it. But maybe it's better. You can get in there more.
Yes.
Get the oil.
Yes, the oil.
Yeah, you know what? I'll do oil. I'll just walk across the street and show.
Oil or Thai massage or
Thai with
oil.
oil.
Yes.
Just don't show.
And you?
No.
Yes.
Just don't show.
Ba người này sẽ làm ba cái thế dầu và một người này sẽ làm thái khô. Anh sẽ làm thuốc ở đây, anh sẽ làm dầu. Are you ready?
Chị cho ảnh cái quần nào kiểu.
Không không không.
Để ở ngoài nè.
Dạ.
What the hell?
Oh, okay.
Không gì.
What does that even mean? I am wearing a
I
pants.
was gonna tell her to give you underwear.
Crazy. I don't know what the heck she's talking about. Bye guys. See y'all later. Enjoy. Oh.
It started, Jason.
Okay.
Anh chờ em một chút ạ.
Yeah.
You're waiting on you.
Okay. So at long last, I'm finally gonna get a foot massage. This looks legitimate. There's a family that just did it as well too, so we're gonna check it out, see if it's any good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye bye. Kiss me, hand.
I'll check you out after I get my massage. Here's my masseuse. Okay, we just got done with our massage. It is still pouring rain. It's still pouring rain. Okay. Got tea over here. Let's see. Oh, it's good. It's sweet. You know what? But the massage was awesome. Okay, now this massage was way better than in Hanoi. I guess it's a little bit more, but it's much better. I actually got a foot massage. In Hanoi, I asked for one, but what I got was a back massage. I mean, it was okay, but I wanted a foot massage. It's been, for the past week and a half, I've been walking like crazy. Lots of walking. All I wanted was to get a good massage, and I fell asleep twice. Caught myself snoring twice. It's actually good tea. I don't really like hot tea, but this is good, sweet. Oh, here we go. How was it? How was it, everyone?
How was it?
Can I get a reaction?
Yeah, it was great.
Was it?
She was super strong.
And what did you get?
Thai massage. Is this mine?
Let me see what Kenny
How was
thinks.
yours?
Kenny?
She beat Kenny
Yeah,
up.
she kicked my butt.
Oh, really?
Oh my god, it's still raining.
Yeah, it's pouring.
Oh, this tea is good, guys.
Right?
Your sister, no good.
That's exactly what I just said.
Oh no, yours is cold. Mine is red. Was good. Was excellent. And these are
One for me and
Yes, one for me. Yeah.
How much?
Cut this ticket.
Kỹ áo con được.
Em muốn nói gì không? Giới thiệu không? Muốn giới thiệu không?
Giới thiệu giùm em.
So she's shy. She's shy. Em là chủ hả?
Dạ, em
So this is the owner. This is the owner. She's shy. She don't want to say anything. Sao ai cũng mắc cỡ hết vậy?
Rồi nó ngoan rồi chị ơi.
Không quen hả? Không quen.
Không quen.
Chật hả? Không có sao đâu.
Nó thấy cả.
Okay, are we ready?
Oh my god.
Okay, so I guess everybody's satisfied. Oh,
Chỉ có ly lấy đi.
look.
Dạ, chỉ có ly lấy đi. Cái này.
Run away.
Bây giờ anh chị đi ra.
Đi qua bên hotel.
Well, now this is a cluster. This is all messed up. We were all waiting to go to the market. This is what they got. I don't know. It's just pouring rain, so I guess this is what they're getting. It's grilled. They're gonna grill it up.
I don't know. I mean, we can. If you guys want to wait for us, I don't know, or if you guys just want to go.
We still have faith.
Yeah, we gotta bathe and get it.
Yeah, they got the chicken wing. Oh man, what is that? Like a goat head? That's a goat head. Okay, this is what our villa looked like at night, and yeah, I look ridiculous, but don't want to get sick either. So right across the street was where we got our massage. Literally, how convenient is that? And right here is where the food place they just bought. And little, you know, down there is like banh mi place. She said that one's okay too, but there's one down there. Said it's like Saigon version. I don't know what Saigon version means, but I think that's it. That's the way to. Right there, straight ahead. We just go straight. Come on. Just follow the crowd. That's where they're all going right now. Look at that, more. Yeah, okay. You don't know how to ride a bike.
I know how to ride a bike. You don't know how?
Look at genuine leather. Postcard. Oh, what is that? Oh, coffee. More coffee. Vietnamese coffee. Looks pretty cool, huh? I don't know what that is. More stores in here. Oh. Watch out, see? Okay. Welcome to Ancient Town. Ticket. What? 70 million? Oh. Oh, there you go. Lots of trinkets.
I'd like to get a magnet.
A magnet? Where? Oh, I guess when we come back, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, we can ask. Look, oh, here. There's some more too.
My wife likes her.
Oh, we definitely got to try this. This looks pretty good. I'm gonna come back and give that a shot. Oh, that looks pretty tasty. We'll come back and try that one. We got coffee gelato. I guess they got their. Oh yeah, it's made. Pringles. think, do you want to go across the market or this one? This side. You want to go across or this side?
Across.
Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Excuse me. Okay. We are here. Hoi An at night. Okay. Come on. Okay. Let's keep going. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. Excuse me. Looks like okay. Officially, this is the Hoi An Bridge. Oh, so it's action, action, action.
Very often.
Whoa, look at all that light. Crazy. Whoa, I don't even know which way to go. Look at that. Okay, just remember, okay? Right here. The spa, the touch, Cao Lau is the bridge. Because there's gonna be multiple bridge. Come on. Left or right? Looks like more action on this side. Oh, what is all this? Rice paper. Did you want to try that? The rice paper pizza. That's the one we saw plenty on TV. No, I just want you to try stuff. Cao Lau, Mi Quai. Now come on. Oh, they got massage here too. Okay, Nini. No. Banana pancake. Okay, that. Oh, look at that. They even got the lobster. Squid. Oh, sorry. Okay, good one. Hold on. Ice cream. Wow. Okay. Forget the tailor stuff. We're just gonna do pre-made. I said forget the tailor stuff. We're just gonna do the pre-made. Big size.
I did a lot from here. She talking you a lot.
Oh my god.
It's crazy. Many colors.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, style okay. And pants on top together. I think should be okay. Pants. Easy. Yeah.
Many color. What color you want? Remember?
Oh, you good, huh? You good? You choose right side?
Yeah, because I already checked and I share a lot and I know what size. But it is that color nice.
Actually, it fits nice.
Oh,
That's what I was saying.
How much one?
400 last right.
What about if we buy more? Two?
200.
Huh?
800, she said.
Oh, no discount if buy more?
Because I'm already share very lucky price, you know.
So we decided to stop by this place. Looks pretty good. Lots of people. Here we go, the two famous dish. Okay, we're gonna try it out. So we ordered the Cao Lau, the Quang, and that. Banh Vac. Oh. Okay, well, we ordered those three. And then that's the one. Banh Vac, not Banh Vac. Anyways, ooh, that looks good. Just mixing that bad boy up. Oh, here's that special noodle. I mean, what do you think? Yeah? Not bad?
It's good, not bad.
See?
I don't
I'm gonna try back and forth. Okay, let me put this down. Let's give it a shot, guys. Let's mix this up. See what this tastes like. Huh? Good?
This is better, I think.
Yeah, this the one he said sucks.
The noodle is called diente. What's it called?
Al dente.
Al dente.
Okay, let me give
Shall I
this
just
one a
dump this whole
shot.
thing, honey?
Yeah. Ooh, that's good. That's not bad.
This is better than this.
Yeah, this is good actually. I like this. Spicy thing.
That's good.
Oh, this is like pork crackers. Pork crackers.
This is good.
Try that out.
What's that?
Oh, here's your shrimp chip. This is actually good. Never had that in my life. I'm sure glad we tried it. Okay, wow. This is what our front desk told us to try here. Give it a shot here. Okay. It's good too. It's good. Oh, it's different flavor. I don't think I've had this flavor before. Yeah, we're gonna try.
This is very good.
Is it? Let's give it a shot, shall we?
I wish they get more sauce.
Ooh. That's really good. Oh. Oh, that's really good.
Just order one more.
I'm glad we chose this place. It was her idea.
I'm gonna eat that.
They're both good. We're gonna switch. We're gonna continue to eat our food. We may even order one more of this. Sucker's good. It's really good. Ooh. Definitely gotta try that. Banana pancake. I think where did that lady go? I think it's over there.
You wanna go back there?
Where you want to go?
We didn't do this whole line. We didn't go over there.
You want to go and do that line? Because it looks like no more action on that side. Look like they're all on this side. See? No more light.
Just go ahead. Which one again?
I don't know. Let's just walk down this way now. Looks like there's more vendors now. If not, we'll just walk back to that guy. He was like, hi. Very persistent.
Follow the music, follow the music. Yeah,
That looks like pretty good too. Mango crepe. There's more crepes on that side. Oh, there's not that much vendors on that side, yeah. Oh, I wanted to support that lady earlier. She looked like she needed it. Or either that or she's sold out.
How about you want?
We're getting mochi, banana, and mango. These are take home. There's the frozen ice cream. Let me try this one.
Strawberry?
Should be thicker.
Mm.